Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we'll discuss about the interview experience of Digital Ninja interview experience. This interview experience of the digital is from the Tamil Nadu state and the ninja role is from Maharashtra Nagpur. Maharashtra Nagpur. Both are from our Prime Coding community and they have successfully nailed their interview. In this video, we'll see what all questions were asked to them. Now, the candidate experience. This is for the digital role for Tamil Nadu guy. Now, he told us all questions in very specific manner. We'll discuss each and every question in this video. The MR question and the HR questions will also asked to him. Now, Hariom is from our community group. You can see his message on our Telegram group, as well as he's also shared his interview experience which happened on 18th June in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay. Now, we'll see the ninja technical role first. So his Hariom interview today at 18th. Now in his interview from the ninja role, the experience was good with questions of easy to medium difficulty. They asked question related to my resume. So I always tell please be thorough with your resume, and they asked the questions from the project section. And since he is from a data science background, the question was related to that as well, like why you have opted a data science background, what was your 4-year curriculum, what you have learned more in your college degree. They also asked about their family background, just tell me about yourself stuff, and HR questions were related to his project. The mock interview that he took with us, you took was very helpful and your feedback was very beneficial. Thank you so much for the video that you posted on YouTube. He is talking about most asked technical question, HR question and coding question. I have uploaded all this video on my channel. If you are preparing it, it is must watch or else you will lose the opportunity to tell the answer that you might able to know. This guy was not able to practice much, but this video in the session I have specifically request him to please go through it, otherwise he will ruin his interview. And he had gone through and followed my in detail feedback and he was able to crack, or definitely he was able to perform well in ninja interview. So he told his every video of this channel helped us a lot. So if you also want to see all the updates of hiring and anything, you just need to join our Telegram group. Link would be in the description. Following the digital technical questions, explain about the first research paper. So this guy is basically Pawan, is also from Prime Coding community. He also took the mock session from us. So he had 2 research papers, basically both of them on machine learning project. So machine learning is also trending technologies and he got multiple questions from them, as paper which I have done only my role in that, like what he actually did. And basically I've also grilled him on this, what role he did, what algorithm he has did. Everything has been asked thoroughly and given the feedback in detail. Now second research paper, they have 2 research paper he had, and in-depth working method of that particular research paper. So guys, if you add ML project into your resume, you should know the implementation level of your project, how it is working, how your project look like, what is the outcome, what performance metrics you have used, why you have used the specific performance metrics. Now he told that it moves to his project. In depth about his project is also, the project also lies in the ML domain. He did the ML project. Now they asked to rate himself in the proficient language in Java, as he took the Java as in front hand language that he always used to code. The follow-up question would be, what do you mean by constructor? Basically constructor means easy, it is automatically called when you are initializing the class to an object. And what are the types of constructor? Similarly, this question would be the parameterize or default constructor, parameterized constructor, and these types of questions that you should be aware of. And in OOPS about abstraction, and you can expect the questions on 5 pillars also, difference between abstraction and encapsulation. And he is very lucky that in the mock session I've also asked the same question, as well as I've also asked him the follow-up question, what do you mean by encapsulation and how it is different than abstraction. And in the next question would be get mapping and post mapping. Basically in get mapping we used to get the HTTP request, and in post we will mostly post the HTTP request. That's it. You have more information rather than this get and post. Please research over it if you are in the Java field. And if you are from C++ or Python, instead of Java, you can expect in the Python language or the C++ language. So take this particular lines as an example and prepare accordingly, because this question can be implemented or applied over the other languages also. Now, as he was not able to tell the project very nicely, so I have recommended him to please do Instar. He's also watched this video as well as this video, because this video contains all the necessary things that you need to know and how you should create your response. And in this, the example of ML project, how you need to explain an ML project, following with the full stack project, if you had, how you can explain it, and if you have internship experience, how you can create such a way response so that the interviewer would be hooked with your particular explanation, how you are explaining your project. Everything depends upon the presentation that you are giving in your interview. Moving forward, the coding question that the person got in digital role was find a GCD of a given number. Very easy question. You can just apply a while loop and you are good to go. You can use a while loop also, or recursion also, anything. But I would highly recommend you to try these types of approach. Try to be not using recursion, because you can expect more questions or follow-up questions over the recursion. If you are comfortable with the questions of recursion, you can use that particular approach. Now, this is a very good question, I would say, because if you have a good know about the while loops, you can able to write until your b doesn't become 0, this while loop continue runs. Let's say if a value is 8 and b value is 4, then what will gonna happen? In the first case, the a value got the b value, so b value becomes a value becomes 4, and the new b value would be a mod 4. So a mod 4 would be a 8 mod 4, which becomes 0. Now in the very first case, in the while loop, b becomes 0, it stops, then it means that we return the a value. So the GCD of 8 comma 4 would be 4. So this would be your answer. So this is a very easy question that you can expect. Now, questions that were asked is in technical as well as HR questions as well as managerial questions. MR asked specifically the managerial about mobile application that he have built, two mobile application, a project that he have built. Follow-up question that what problem you are solving by the application. Same question we usually ask in our mock sessions also. Asked about my father business and will you also take the same line as your father? It means if your father business has been situated, do you opt that particular way instead of doing the work in TCS? So if you have some business in your family, please create a response according to this. Moving forward with this types of question. Why TCS? Why should we hire you in night shift? Guys, all these questions you can find in this video. In this video, same question has been taken off, and he luckily have gone through all this, and the detailed feedback made him perfect with all the necessary question that he should be aware of. I highly recommend you to watch this type of video, so that in this video, the template that you need to know, because many people don't know how to create template of your response. You just need to change the keywords which are used in the template, and your response are done. You just need to memorize it, speak it, nail the interview. Now, more resources. Guys, each types of SQL questions were covered in this video. All types of array questions have been covered in this video. All types of DBMS question that you can expect. I bet you, if you have watched this particular videos that I have mentioned, no question you can leave, because all the patterns I have covered, and from these particular videos you can expect the question. Importantly, from DBMS and SQL, you can expect all type of question in particular video only. Moving forward, the free mock session opportunity for you. Just you need to comment on this video, as well as join the Telegram group of Prime Coding Community. Follow the LinkedIn, not mine page, not mine. You need to follow the Prime Coding LinkedIn page. The link would be in the description. And just subscribe the channel and like this video. If you want the mock session very early, because both of the candidates took the mock session and they were get benefited. So the starting cost is just 99 rupees. If you see here that this is the response of digital interview guy, he said yes sir, it was okay. Most question came from the mock interview Also, because every possible questions were asked in the mock interview, and mock interview is the mirror of yourself where you are standing exactly. So this is from my side. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment or join a Telegram group. I would be happy to respond to you on your doubts. And please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends so that they won't miss any update that is necessary to know. So please subscribe to the channel, like the channel and share this video as much as you can. The more knowledge you spread, the double the knowledge you will get. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.